Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys this wig install from Recool hair. This is their 20-inch deep wave glueless wig. It is a 5x5 lace and it is perfect for the summertime. So if you guys want to see how I installed this wig, then keep on watching. Hey y'all, so today we are working with Recool hair and we are doing a glueless wig install. So let's get into this. They reached out to me and they were talking about their glueless wig, and they were also saying this is like their most popular style wig for the summer. So it's like this curly wavy type of hair. So let's get into this tutorial. So it's 100% human hair wig. Of course, they got a little pamphlet. This is their 20-inch. So got little instructions in case you need to know how to take care of the hair. Ooh, this looks so pretty. Okay, let's go ahead and just... So glueless wig. Oh, it's already trimmed too? Ooh, hold on. Okay, let's get into this. Hold on. Let's go ahead and take these off. This hair looks so pretty. And you guys know summer is around the corner, so it's time to get those wigs going, the protective styles going. Okay, look at that. Look at that. So this should be super easy. So look at this curls. And one thing I love about human hair, like if I wanted to change it up and not do this curly look, I could blow dry this out, I could straighten it, I can do different looks. So yeah, the quality of the hair already looks bomb. I just have my hair in these two braids. I actually just freshly washed my hair, did two braids, crisscrossed it, you know, protective style. Use my Lavish Curls hair growth products. Let's get into this little bag really quick. So they come with lashes. You guys always know I always show you guys everything that's included, so you know what you're getting. Let's see what this is. Probably like some hair accessories. Ooh, a bonnet. I needed a new bonnet. I really did. And I love this blue, this royal blue. And this part around here looks nice and secure. This is perfect. I actually really needed a bonnet, y'all. I'm not even playing. This looks like a headband. So like, even if you wanted to hide your little headband, you can always switch these out too and do other headbands. Oh, they gave me all the accessories. We got baby hairbrush. Can never go wrong with that. Oh, I'm sorry, but y'all, I really needed like everything. I needed a new one of these because I was about to get rid of my other ones because they're old. Okay, perfect. Look, Recool hair got y'all. They got the claw clips. And then, what's this? An invisible HD wig cap. We're gonna go ahead and use that today as well. And then what else? This to lay the edges. And then some bobby pins. So they hooked it up. So let's go ahead and just get into the install. I forgot I can put stuff right behind me now. I don't know why I've lived here 5 years and never thought to use this little area to film my wig tutorials, but I thought of it today, so let's go ahead.
It's all in the sky, ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
Alright y'all, so this is what it looks like on. Nice and secure. Now let's get into styling. So y'all, this is super simple. Like, literally installed it. The hair is curly, it's pretty. So I want to do like a fun curly summertime hairstyle. So what I'm going to do is like the little popular 2 little strings out in the front. And then you guys know the claw clip styles are pretty popular, and in the summertime you might want some of your hair out of your face. So we're just going to go ahead and take some of this hair and put it back. So both to the back, and then simply take a claw clip and clip it. We're going to do the edges in a second, but we're just going to clip it so it's a cute little claw clip style with the 2 hairs hanging and then your hair to the front. I feel like it can be a cute little style. Or actually, I might want to do the little style where you kind of have it and it's like, ooh, I like that better. Let's do a scrunchie. Well, you could do a claw clip as well. I'm gonna do it with the scrunchie. And then I could claw clip it too. I feel like that'll make it a little cuter. I'm sure if this, oh, okay. This is cute. And then we could add a claw clip. Just in case, so the little so your lace isn't showing, I'm just gonna add a little bit more hair to dangle. But this makes such a cute little claw clip style. Baby hairs is optional, but I'm gonna go ahead and do just a little baby hair on the side, and then we're gonna get into like fluffing out these curls and making it a little bit more pizzazz. So I'm going ahead and doing is I'm taking out just a little bit of my edges so then it doesn't look like a weird. So I'm just pulling out a little bit of hair. That's it. Just a little bit. And then we're gonna get my edge control. Okay, so I use True Edge Controller Extreme Hold. So that's what I'm gonna use. And once again, this is optional. You don't have to, you know. I just feel like it adds to the curly hair look. And then I'm gonna play around with some other styles to see what I really like. So I might just wear it all down curly and just wet the hair. So we're gonna see what it looks like wet. But if you have type 4 hair, this edge control is fire. I've got mine from TJ Maxx, or you can even find it at Marshall's. But y'all, this hair is so pretty. I'm not seeing any shedding or anything like that, so that's good. It's just pretty hair. I like to run my fingers through hair too, just to make it fuller, just to see. You know, this helps to give me an idea of how I like the hair best. Like, do I want to wet it or do I want it like this? Because regardless, when you wet it, it's going to go back to this texture. So sometimes I like to just fluff out the curls and get an idea of what they look like. Not clumped, but separated. I feel like it makes it look more natural, especially for the summertime. You know, you want your hair to look natural. Because clumped together like how it comes in the box can look a little, you know, wiggy. So I like to go in and separate, allow a little bit of frizz, and I feel like it makes the hair look so much better. Like them perfect spirals, I tend to not like that. In the front, sometimes you do kind of want it a little perfect, but you know, it's all about preference. So this is what this would look like. Let's see what it looks like. Just down and out. Sometimes it's like, I don't want my hair too wild. This wig feels nice and secure too. I'm gonna get the flat iron and like go over it some and try to get it a little bit more flatter. Yeah, let's see.
Come through and chill, chill, chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill, chill, chill.
Hold me till I scream for every and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me.
Alright, y'all, I'm gonna add some styling gel. This is just Fantasia Icy Thick and Shine styling gel. Okay, so this is what it looks like wet. This is what it looks like dry. Might as well do the other side. Alright, y'all, so this is pretty much the finished look. I'm just gonna go with this wet and wavy style, but y'all don't see me play around with this hair and do some different looks, just trying to figure out what I like. But this is the back. So the hair is super pretty. Super pretty. So I just decided to go for a little wet and wavy type of vibe. You could add a little bit more right here. Just do a little slick vibe, you know. So that's the kind of look I decided to go for since we are headed into summer. But I gave y'all a few different ideas, and like I said, this is completely glueless, so you can easily take it on, take it off, and it feels nice and secure on my head. And then as the day goes on, of course, this hair will get nice and bigger and stuff like that. So this is just a nice glueless install. Make sure you guys check out Recool Hair. I will have all their information linked in the description box below, plus a discount code. They also have other styles of hair on their site, but this one is so perfect for the summer, and it's one of their popular wigs. So make sure y'all check them out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.